Good morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen pair has lost 0.4% in the last session. The ATR has heated up and is now giving a high volatility signal. Bitcoin has gained 3.6% in the last two sessions. The ultimate oscillator has bounced upwards into the overbought zone. The price of gold has added 0.8% in the last session. The RSI has shifted into the positive zone. The price of crude oil has fallen 0.7% in the last session. The CCI has transitioned into neutral territory.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in the world financial news.
As OPEC celebrates its 60th birthday, the group warns that oil demand will fall more steeply in 2020 than previously forecast due to the coronavirus. The Reserve Bank of Australia minutes may influence the Aussie-dollar pair as Governor Philip Lowe considers his next moves. The CEO of U.S. cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase alleges that Apple is stifling innovation in crypto and sidelining DeFi to protect itself from competition.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The UK CPI will be released at 400 GMT. The Eurozone's trade balance is at 700 GMT. The Canadian CPI at 1030 GMT. The US business inventories at 1200 GMT. The US Fed interest rate decision at 1600 GMT. And New Zealand's GDP at 2045 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.